Hey guys, it's Snowimus64 here, and I was actually making a video with all parents until my sister talked, but she didn't know to do stuff. So I helped with remaking some of my animal look, and this is my otter look. I might go to the diamond shop and buy a blue elf tail like this, because I don't really know. But this is my otter, and I'm going to do my next animal. I'm going to do my fox, because I don't really like my fox. So I'm just going to redo my fox. I don't like the pattern. I might not change it. Or maybe I will. Maybe I'll make this something. Maybe I will. Oh, I'm sorry because of my voice. I'm losing my voice and I'm trying really hard so you can hear me. So, things I do for my videos is my fox. She's got a pink flower crown, a pink spike, and a elf tail. I wish I had a pink one, but unfortunately I don't. So let's move on to the next one. Now I'm gonna do my lynx because it's really my role play. She has the pet bat. So, that's cool. She has a pet bat. I'm probably gonna show you that. So, let's go. This is my lynx, and I completely redid my lynx, and I really like it. Most of my animals are red, it's pretty weird, but I'm gonna do this one. My Arctic wolf fox is the look I have decided to make for my Arctic wolf fox. I always get confused. So, let's move on to the next animal. I quite like my nerdy pig, so I'm going to just do my sloth, and then I'll make my Halloween animal. This is my very cute sloth, and I really like the hat. It is my favorite one. So now I'm going to be making my Halloween animal. So I'm going to choose which animal I should make on Halloween. I have decided my animal shall be a crocodile, because I can make it croc. That makes sense. So, okay, as I was saying, now I'm going to make it Halloween style. I don't have that much done. Oh, my voice. This is my Halloween animal. It is hilariously funny. I love the dance and everything. It's so cool. And, yeah. So I'm gonna end this video with my Halloween animal, because that's how I roll. Yeah. So, it's just gonna roam around and just so thank you all for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe and all that stuff, and check out Wild Snowfox. I will show you her picture. So belly hair, some hair, some nice things that we can move this thing. So that's her, my BFF. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.